controlling period. This is highly important. Okay, controlling period, because so today I'm going to discuss this point. Okay, in detail. This point I'll discuss tomorrow. This and this point I'll discuss tomorrow. Today I'm going to focus about this one, controlling period. So in ECC, controlling period was control means open or close from T code OKP1. Okay, and in ECC, the controlling period were open at the controlling area level. Okay, controlling area level. Let me show you, because other practical knowledge is very important, because this you have to. Okay, so go to OKP1, give your controlling area, any controlling area I'm giving just for example purpose. Let's say this one, give your physical year and give version and open it here. Okay, so here these are the document type or transaction type. In CO we say document type, transaction type is nothing but like document type. So here this was the option given at controlling area level, which period for which document type you want to open and close. This was the option in ECC. But now if you say this is in gray out mode, so listen very carefully. This is again, I generally ask to candidate, I just want to know whether they have really done implementation or not, especially when they say I have worked in the controlling side. And 99% students are not able to answer this question. So listen very carefully. Now you have to ask with the business, either they want to open and close the posting period at controlling area level they want, or they want to open and close the CO. I'm talking about CO period. Okay, CO period they want to open or close the company code level and from the Fiori. So if they say that I need to open and close at OKP1 level, then it has one solution. If they say that no, I don't want to use OKP1, I want to use the Fiori app, then listen very carefully. This is very important. Solution confirmation during requirement gathering, you have to ask to the business. Now, so listen very carefully. Okay, so if you want to use the Fiori app, to open and close the controlling posting period, then you have to activate this business function. Okay, you have to activate this business function. So what happened, listen again, I'm telling what happened. If you activate that business function, then this T code will go into display mode. Okay, this option will go into display mode until unless you don't activate this business function. OKP1 will work. OKP1 will work. But if you activate this business function, let me show you how to activate this business function. So to activate any business function, T code is SFW5. Okay, in the meantime it is opening. So listen very carefully. If we activate this business function, then OKP1 will go in the display mode. Okay, I don't have authorization, but let me search at least for you. Finish underscore period underscore CTRL underscore by underscore BT type. Let me copy this one. Here it is here. Okay, so this makes sure that it is activated. Okay, activated. Okay, here also you can see. So make sure this activated. Okay, see, this is activated. If this business function, now how to activate this? This is the he has given only in display mode, so I will not be able to activate. But in, if you go in your system, check if you have first of all check it is either it is activated or not, other will activate it. So make sure that this business function is activated. If this business function is not activated, then you cannot use the controlling period Fiori app. Until unless this business function is activated, then you have to use the OKP1 T code only. You have to continue using OKP1. So OKP1 will work. Now listen very carefully, very, very important. Now if you activate this business function, then one configuration path gets open here. Come here. So this one, listen very carefully, very, very important. See, this path will only come, this path will only come if you activate that business function. If you activate that business function, then this additional setting will come. In this setting only, you have to activate this one. Activate posting period control by company code is active. If you have to activate this one, okay, you have to activate. If this is not coming, then first time here new entries will become. Go to new entries, then this option will come and tick it. Tick and save it. If the moment you tick and save it, if you go to OKP1, see one message comes here. If you go in the OKP1, you'll get one message. If you go here, see, this is the message you are getting. Why you are getting this message? It is telling that CO period control is by ledger and component code is active in actual. It is telling that don't use this one because we have activated CO period to be open and closed by company code and ledger label. Because if you use the CO period Fiori app, there at company code label and ledger wise you can open and close the period in the Fiori app. So this is the message it is telling. If you go here, it may suggest the Fiori app name also. So this is what it is telling, and this is telling, see, it is suggesting also. So this is the new setup. So you have to ask with the business, either they want to use the Fiori app to open and close the period, or they want to use the OKP1 to open and close the CO period. Okay, mostly in S4HANA, they will go for Fiori app. So this many things have to do. Okay, now is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, right? No doubt, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this thing you have to remember, and you have to ask the right question to the business. Okay, so now let me open the Fiori app and let's see how it looks.
Sir, can you write the P code to activate the BTC code?
Okay,
Business function.
to activate business function SFW5. Okay, now let us go to Fiori app. Okay, so to go to Fiori app, you have to use /n UI2 /FLP /n UI2 /FLP. Then go to inside. First time opening is taking time. It's taking time. Okay, fine. So I'll show you. So this is the first. So during solution design, you have to discuss with the business. If it is S4HANA, mostly they will go for Fiori app. Okay. But what I'm trying to tell, in one of the interview, one interviewer had asked to my students, and that is where I felt very bad when he interviewed only not knowing the answer, and he simply rejected my candidate. What was the question? Question was that how will you open the CO period in S4HANA? That was the question. So student answer, sir, either you want to use OKP1 or you want to use Fiori. Accordingly, you have to activate the business function. That is what she answered. But interviewer is telling that there is no OKP1 in S4HANA. That he doesn't know the concept, and he simply rejected. So I would request all the interviewer, please, you also need to be updated. You might have gone and seen directly OKP1, and OKP1 is not working, and you may be thinking it is no more required. It is always display in S4HANA. It's not the case. Okay, it is not the case. If you activate this business function, then only it will be going in display mode. Until then, it will be in change mode only. So that is what. So please, when you're answering to the interviewer, if interviewer asking the cross question, just make him understand. Okay, maybe he is not having proper knowledge. Okay, because all this I know, because I have worked on multiple S4HANA implementation. So that's the reason I know into everything. Okay, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, right? Because they may think that there is no concept of OKP1. OKP1 is there. But if they want to use, then they should not activate this business function. If they don't want to use OKP1, they have to activate this business function. Then OKP1 goes into display mode. Then you have to use the Fiori app mandatorily. Okay. So you come here, and Fiori app name is manage posting period cost controlling something.
Sir, I need one clarification, sir.
Yeah, please ask me.
So if you get a time, could you please explain about the fiscal year variant details like calendar year, non-calendar year today?
Okay, sure. I'll do it.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you.
This is the new server I have taken. So for the first time, I'm using it. I mean, after a long time. It may be slow little bit in the beginning. Okay, so this is the Fiori app name. Okay, manage posting period cost accounting. Go here. Give here, see here, company code wise, you can open and close the period. So let's see somebody has any company code. Okay, fiscal year, I'm not sure, 2024. Let us follow. Then give this one, then click on go. Okay, so all the business transaction in in S4HANA means CO document type. Okay, then go here. So this many is coming. So for this company code, as many as ledger are there, it will come here. Okay, so one more point you notice here, under some ledger there will be some business transaction, under some ledger there will be some business transaction. Okay, so this has also configuration. So see, under this, these are the business transaction. First of all, go like this. First of all, let me put like this. See, if it is showing closed, it means that every business transaction are closed. You cannot post anything. If few business transactions are open, few business transactions are closed, then here partially closed or partially open one word will come. Okay, it means that few are open, few are closed. If everything is open, then open will come. So that is the meaning. Now go here. Then under, see, under the leading ledger you have AAT, but under here non-leading ledger you may not find AAT. So this is also one table maintenance is there. I'll show you. I'm not remembering the table. Tomorrow I'll show you. Now in what you want to open and I mean which business transaction in the controlling side you want to open and close. You have to choose that one. Okay, you have to choose it. The moment you choose here, see here, this get activated. Okay, the moment you choose here, this get activated. Either you want to open or close. Go to 2022. Still 2020. See here, partially open means few are open, few are closed. Okay, that's the reason. For few, see, for all this they have open. See here. Now for KSPA. Okay, so sequentially you have to open. Okay, in CO, that is one what to say, one drawback or whatever you want to. In FI period, anything you can open, any period you can open, but in CO randomly you cannot open. Okay, you have to sequentially have to open. So till 12 they have open, 13 I can open it. See, 13 got open. Okay, 13 got open. Okay, if you want to close, you can click on this close like this. Is it clear? Hello? Is it clear,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. See, these are very high level. Nobody knows. You ask with 100%, 100% people may not be knowing why few are showing under this, few are not showing under this. So there is one table maintenance. I was knowing that table, but I forgot. I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. Why some business transaction is appearing under 2L only, few are not appearing under. So here, so this is what it is telling when you are getting error. It is telling that if you activate that business function, then you can open and close the CO period based on company code and ledger label. Okay, if you can open ledger wise, in which ledger what business transaction you want to post, which ledger what business transaction you want to post. So this is the functionality given once you activate that business function, and OKP1 goes into the display mode. But one more issue you will get. Sometime when you go in this Fiori app, if you enter your company code and even if you click on go, this detail will not come. Okay, I have personally faced this issue. So if you click here go, then this will come blank. Okay, if it is coming blank, then this program you have to run. See, there is, this is the, you can read this note also. The SAP has given this note also. You can read this note. This is the solution. So if in this table there is nothing, then in this Fiori app it will come blank. If you click and go, it will not come here. So this table you have to open. If it is not blank, then only it will work perfectly fine. So what is the table name?
FIN.
FIN. Okay, FINSC underscore FISC underscore det. So in this, if it is not there, let's say 1710 posting period variant. Posting period variant, I'm not sure what. Let me check it. So we are checking 1710 as of now because our company code is not ready as of now. So I'm taking this one. So go to what fiscal year K4. So make sure that first in this table K4 must have the data. Okay, if it is not blank, then only here also it will not be blank. If you click on go, it will come it here. If this table is not updated properly, then here if you run, it will come error. It will not, you will not be able to open and close. So in that time, you have to run this program. You have to run this program, fins underscore generate underscore fiscal underscore period. So this program you have to run, then only your this table will get updated. As a result, this will work. Okay, so this is during testing time we'll get this kind of error. Okay, so to run the program, you know that you have to go SC38 fin, what is that program name, fins underscore generate, fins underscore generate underscore period underscore what, no, physical underscore period, physical underscore period. It is this one. Okay, so come here, go to here, then give the fiscal year variant and run it. Okay, give fiscal year variant and run it. So this table will get updated. This table will get updated, then automatically this will work. Is it clear, everyone? Hello, clear na?
Yes,
No
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
All right, right. Okay, so this is about the posting period variant in the controlling side. Why for few business transaction is coming, for few ledger not coming, there is one setup at the table level. Table I'm not remembering, so I'll teach you tomorrow that one. Okay, now any doubt is there in this posting period in the controlling side? Will you able to answer if anybody is asking?
Uh, Sir, what is difference between from opening product from this side or opening from FI print from the third row? What is the difference between here and
Okay,
there?
so this one is, see here, OB53 52, right?
Yes, sir.
OB52. Let me see here. So here is also given the period. Okay, so you can maintain, this is for CO period, and while maintaining the period only you can maintain for this line item. Okay, for account type wise you cannot maintain the this CO period. Now what is the use of this one? As I said, any posting you do from CO, it will also get posted in the FI. Okay, okay, okay. Now first point is clear, right? At least anything you post in the CO, it will get posted into the FI, because secondary GL is also now part of the FS00. Okay, now since if you are posting in CO, it will also get posted in FI. So it will check either FI period is also open or not. So if you maintain here the period, then it will check in the FI side also either period is open or not. If FI period is not open, it will not allow you to post. So that is the use of this one. It will check while posting from CO to FI, it will check the FI period also. If you don't maintain, then it will check this periods. Okay, this period. Let's say here, first of all, you have to know that if you post anything in CO, it will generate a document in FI also. Okay, to generate a document in FI period should also be open, and CO period should also be open. Is it clear? First point.
Yes, sir.
Now let's say CO side period is open. Now in FI side you have two options. Either you want to maintain the period, let's say your FI period, which is let's say period 1 to period, so 1 is there, right? And we have period 3 here, period 3, period 3 and period 3. Period 2 I'm not just writing here, period 3. Now let's say here in CO side you're posting, let's say today it is like June month, so 6th period. I am following Jan to December, so 6th period. If you are posting in the 6th period in the CO side, now CO side, okay, let's say period is open. Now it is coming to the FI side. When it will post the document into FI side, now check in this way, it will check period 3 first. Any document, it is coming from CO to FI, it will check period 3, what is the open here. Let's say you have don't maintain anything here, you keep it blank. If you keep it blank, it will not check this one, it will get ignored. Then it will go to normal period, it will check here what you have open in the FI side. Let's say you have open only 7th period is open, so it will not allow you to post, it will throw error. Let's say here 5th period is open, it will not allow you to post, it will throw error. Now if you open 6th period, then it will post in the FI side also, because CO side also open, FI side also open. Now let's say you using the period 3. In period 3 now, listen very carefully. In period 3 you written 5 here. The moment you put here in the period 3, it will never go and check in the period 1. It will check only this one. Now if you are posting in the period 6 in the CO side, it will check in the period 3 what is the period open, because this is meant for CO posting, FI to CO to FI posting. Now here 5 only open, so it will throw error. It will tell that period 3 is not open in the FI side. It will not go to this one, then it will go here only, to stop. Until unless you open here also 6, then only you can post 6th period from CO to FI. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. So in the both FI and CO side, both same period should be open.
I will not say, it's up to you. It can
Yes,
be
more
different
general.
also.
Okay.
It can be different.